Hello everyone, my name is Farah and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn the first lesson of Composite Mathematics, lesson number 1, Revision. We will solve few questions about that topic because in the exercise itself you are given questions to solve. So let's begin. So first question, write the Roman numerals for each of the following Hindu-Arabic numerals. It means in this question you are be given the Hindu-Arabic numerals and you want to convert them to the Roman numerals. So it is very easy. Just you will have to keep few things in your mind as a revision. I equals to the meaning of 1, V equals to the meaning of 5, X equals to the meaning of 10, L equals to the meaning of 50, C equals to the meaning of 100, D equals to the meaning of 500 and M equals to the meaning of 1000. So if I want to make any bigger units other than this, I am only dependent on these main units for subtraction and for addition. So let's begin the first question. 18 as a Roman numeral, very easy. I know that I can write 18 as the expanded form of 10 plus 8. So that is it. I will write 18 as 10 plus 8. So 10 plus 8 gives me nothing but 18. So what is the value of 10? As the 10 is my main unit, I know 10 equals to x. So I will write x. And 8, I don't have any standard value for 8. So it doesn't mean I cannot write 8. So I will write 8 as, I know 8 lies between 5 and 10. Here somewhere is 8. And I know I can repeat this I 3 times. So I will raise it by the power 3. So I can write 5 and then 3. So which would be 5 plus triple 1. So 5 plus triple 1 means V triple I. 26. Next is 26. So in this 26 we know it is the expanded form of 20 plus 6. How will I write 20? I know that I have a standard unit for 10 and 20 is the double of 10 and I can repeat 10 also, x also 3 times. I can repeat c also 3 times and I can repeat m also 3 times. So, it means that if I can repeat it 3 times, what is the problem when I am repeating it 2 times? So, let's repeat it 2 times. So, double x. I know that 6 lies somewhere between here. And I know that if I add 5 and 1 as a 5 as a standard unit, so it would be nothing but 6. So 6 equals to nothing but Vi. Let's move on to the next. 33. I know how I write 33. 30 plus 3 gives me 33. So it's very easy to find how to write 33. It means that I know where 33 lies. 33 lies between 10 and 50. But why I will take tension for the 50s? I will only clear it in the tens place. I know I can repeat it 3 times. So it means I can write 30 here in itself only. Triple x and triple I. 39. 30 plus 9. 30 plus 9 is nothing but something which is very else. It means 9 is what? 9 is Ix because I can write the standard unit of 5 till 8 and I have a special unit for the x equals to 10. So basically 9 would be 10 minus 1, which is 9. So I would write it as Ix, correct? Because when the sign is to the leftmost side, it means nothing but subtraction. And when it is to the rightmost side, it means nothing but the addition. So if I write it to the left side, it would be subtraction, and I am subtracting in that case, it means I will write it as Ix. So it means 39 will be triple X, Ix. Next, 44. How will I write 44? Very easy. For writing 44, I know what is my expanded form. It is 40 plus 4. My expanded form is 40 plus 4. It means I am going to write first 40. So it means if first I will write 40, I would have to get that 40 here. So once that 40 is in its place, how will I write 40? It is same like the case of 9. It means I will write it as 50 minus 10, which would be 40. So 50 minus 10 equals to 40. It means it would be nothing but x to the left side of the L, which is XL. And 4 means IV. Next, 65. For 65, I'll break it down as 60 plus 5. 60, how will I write 60? I don't know where it lies because I don't have a standard unit for it. But I know if I add 50 and 10, I am getting 60 and I am repeating the x 1 times, not more than 3 times. So it would be nothing but Lx. So 60 would be Lx and 5 would be nothing but V. 77. 77, how will you write that? Very easy. For writing 77, first we will find the value of 70. So I know it is 70 plus 7. So I know the value of 7, but what is 70? If I can write 60 as Lx, if I repeat it 2 times, I am not repeating it more than 3 times, so it is possible. So I will write L double X 7 as VII. That's right. Next, 82. 80 plus 2 gives me 82. Now I know the value of 80 is L triple X. This time also I am not giving the x more than 3 times. It's possible. I can repeat I 2 times. Maximum is 3 times. So I am able to repeat it 2 times as well. But let's go for the next case. Like 91. How will you write 91? I'll write it as 90 plus 1, 91. How will I write 90? We can write 90 as C minus 100 minus 10. Hundred minus 10 equals to 90. 100 minus 10 equals to 90 means C minus X. C minus X is nothing but XC. So let's write that. XCI. And 99 means 90 plus 9. 90 means XC. IX. That's done. So, we have 99 as XEIX. We just needed the short forms. And in this we saw how will we write the Roman numerals for each of the following. Let's read out the second question and understand what is given into the second question. So, let's start it. What are we waiting for, right? So, let's start. Now, here we have to write the Hindu-Arabic numerals for the following Roman numerals. So, how will I write it? It's very easy. LXVI. Here I know the values. LX and VI. So, it means I have 60 plus 6, which means 66. Triple X and I 30 plus 1. $45. Next, LX V triple I 70 plus 8. XC means 90. Understood? Let's see next example. XCV double I. It means 97. LXX triple I means 73. I means 81. 79. And XCV means 95. Very easy questions were these. So, I did not explain you this ones. So, I hope you understand this as well as these, because these problems you will have to face in your daily to daily life. But what happened with the Roman numerals is they are closing by the time, but still we have kept it so long. So, let's start with the next upcoming question and let's write their answers. So, let's start. So, let's come and apply to the next concept. Observe the periods and write the numbers names, which is the third question given for the first lesson revision. Now, how will I write this number? This is ones, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So, 5 lakh. So, let's write 5. 5 lakh. Next, 37. 37,000. 412. Okay. Next, 88088. First, I'll paste up the commas in there. Now, how will I write it? How will I read it? Now, there they didn't say write it in international or in Indian. So, it is like how they have placed the commas. So, the second one, we will write it as, it's in the Indian system. So, we'll write 88,000. 88. 80,088. 636905. Now they have placed the commas. There should be a comma here in the Indian system, but it is given in international system. So how will I write my answer also? My answer would be also in the international system. Understood this? But though they have, so my answer would be also in the international system only. So if we write this, it would be nothing but 636. So I'll write 1s, 10s, 100. 1000 in the 100,000. 600. 36. 1000. 900. 5. Understood? Next, 101001. This is in the Indian system. So how will I write it in the Indian system? I will write that number as 1 lakh, 1000, 1. Next, here I have comma 3, then 2, then 2. That is means it is in the Indian system, and when it is in Indian system, how will I write it? 49 lakh 6090. 6. 90. 14,00140. 14,00140. How will I write this in the this? So 14. How much? 14 lakh 140. Let's write that here. 14 lakh 140. Understood this much? Okay then. Now we have few questions more left. We had only now how many questions are left? If I tell you only 2 questions are left, let's try those samples like a flying bird. So let's can I replace it on the A and B? Okay then. Say all the best. So let's start. Wings are flying now. Okay. So see these questions on your screen. Now this is in the international system. 3 digits, 3 digits. Now how will I write it? I will write 1s, 10s, 100. This is the one spread, as you know. This is the thousands and this is the millions. So I will write 9 million first. Five 500 36,000 87. 87. Next word. 8,080,080. Right? How will I write? This is also an international system. How did I classify? Here 3, then here 1. Like 3, 3. Basically continuously. So it is, how will I write it? 8 million again. 80,000 80. And we have done the third question as well. Let's move on to the fourth question. So let's move on then. So let's start. Express the following in figures, placing the commas at the right place. So first, 20,022. How will I write it? How will you write 20,000, 22, 20,000? So write 20,000. 22, nothing at the hundreds place. 22. 5 lakh, 5,505. They give few numbers confusing to you. Maybe like that they want to confuse you by giving one numeral and different places. So let's see how will you write this. 5 lakh it says. So put it first. 5,000, nothing at the tens of 05, comma. 500 it said and then directly 5. 40, 4 lakh. 04, 40,000 means 40 and 40. 10 lakh. 206,501. Here only will get 1,354,015. 1 million means here I'll write 1. Next 1,300,000 it says, so 354,015. So 015 basically. 2,32,108. So this means 2,32,000. Now it says 32, but we have always 3 places. 32,108. 108. Last one. 5 million. 8. 3 zeros. 008. This is the right answers. These are the right answers for the question number 4. We will discuss question number 5 in the next video and move on to the question number 6 for now. So let's begin. So let's start. So I want to find the place value of each the digits. So see, 7 place value would be 7, it's in the ones place. 6 would be 60 because it's on the tens place. 9 would be 900. 8 would be 8,000. 2 would be nothing but 20,000. The easiest method is take the 2. How many numbers are there? Put zeros and none. So write as it is. 5. How many numbers are back of it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't matter whether there is 0 or not or how will I count. There is a number. That's it. 0, 0 only it will stay. 1 would be 100. Sorry. 9 would be 90. 4 would stay as it is 4. Last example. 8 would stay as 8. 0 would stay as 0. 9 would stay as 900. 7 would be 7,000 if you count the last digits. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and 2 place value is nothing but 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is it. These are the place values of all the numbers which we are gonna find. We will discuss question number 5, question number 7, question number 8 and question number 9 in the next upcoming video. So let us keep this much only for today, and what you can do in these questions is placing up the comma. Okay, if you want you can place the commas also here, then it will make it a bit more clear for you. Place it in front of 2 digits in the Indian system basically. Okay, so okay then, goodbye, and we will discuss the other remaining portion in the next video. Bye.